Many months ago, in the distant land of winter in Florida.
Okay, first time out on the boat in probably almost 2 years. We have we have our kiddos with us and my dog, my fur child. Jonathan asked for my perspective. I think the boat runs really well. It's definitely more of a level ride now. My first thought actually was we need more cup holders because between the the sippy cups and the rosé, there's just not enough like cup storage.
Present day, 7 months later.
So, I'll give you 3 guesses on what project we're going to do today. So, I've got you at this fun angle to where you can actually see down at what I'm going to do. Today, we are putting in the drink holders that my wife has requested. Before I tell you about them, I want to tell you about what I've had on the boat this far. These little plastic clampy guys are great. However, they do not hold my wife's Stanley. And that is when I actually reached out to a couple of friends at Marine Depot Direct. And Marine Depot Direct has a bunch of different metal products and stuff like that for boats. I'll link them below, or I've got a discount code for them that I will share at the end of the episode. It's also linked below if you want to cheat. But I reached out to them and told them I needed to put some cup holders on the boat and asked for their recommendations. And they sent me these, which are a couple of self-draining stainless steel cup holders. And all you do, it's pretty simple. Drill a couple of holes with a hole saw, peel the backing tape off, stick them in. They are watertight, except for this little drain, which should just drip condensation and stuff like that. I'm not going to route any hoses or anything like that under there to drain it. I'm just going to let them drip. It'll be fine. As far as placement on the dash, I was actually looking at Google today for a few different placement ideas of how boats are laid out. Weirdly, it's kind of just wherever there's space. There's not really one rule. A lot of them have them both stacked up over here on this side. But because the binnacle is at a weird angle over here, I don't want to hit that with 2 of them. So I'll probably do one over here and the other one over there. And that's where the drink holders will sit. If I need to add more, I've got a whole bunch of space to where I can do that. Another thing that I can do and have done is, hang on, let me move some stuff out of the way. Another option that I have used and I'm continuing to use is this option by Birdsall that I actually picked up at a boat show. Goes into a rod holder, and I'll get some shots of it. Goes into a rod holder, and you can put your drink there. Awesome and convenient because you can put it in and out of things and pull it out of the way. If you're going to put it on the gunnel, though, you risk losing your Stanley or Yeti over the side of the boat. So there's that. I like to have my drinks up there, so that's what we're going to do. And I'll probably move you so you can get a better view of as I drill the holes and put it in, get it all measured up. You know, I mean, you've seen me do this before. You know how it goes. Another fun angle for you. Let me know if you hate these angles. But this is the best way I can think of showing my layout here of where I'm going to put everything. So let's go ahead and do it. I like how it goes in that curve a little bit. All right, I think that's what we're going to do. Now let's find the right hole saw size. What are we looking at here? I believe on the website, they have the correct size hole saw. They tell you what size you need. But I think by doing the old eyeball trick, yeah, this guy's gonna be our guy. And that is, these are Bert's old hole saws, so I can't even see what size it is. 3.5 inches, okay. All right, now got a bit in an arbor finally. Okay, and I like to put this on setting number 1, so it goes slow. So that way we don't zip too fast. I already checked underneath to make sure that there's nothing we're gonna hit, because you gotta do that. All right, let's wipe it down and do an install. Hey, bub. Oh, good. Good. All right, hang on a second. Before you come up here, whoa, hang on. Before you come up here, this is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna put these things in, and then I'm gonna rinse the boat down, because there's itchy dust in there, and I don't want the itchy dust to get on you, because it's real itchy. It's bad news. You don't want it, okay?
Help me to get my shoes on.
Okay, I will.
Paw Patrol on
It does.
I like Paw Patrol.
We all love Paw Patrol. Who doesn't? All right, so all we do, peel off the little adhesive. Uh-oh. There we go. What is it, bud? Boom. And there it's in. Okay. Not yet. Almost there, Bubba. Ooh, I like that. That's good. Yeah, I know. I'll come down and help you in a little bit. Just give me a minute, okay? I see you right there. Boom. In. There you go. They're in. Pretty easy. Now I got to go help my son open up a package that we just got from FedEx, which is probably some more tools. But thank you for sticking around for this short but sweet video. Thank you again to Marine Depot Direct for hooking us up with some of these awesome cup holders. They've also sent a couple other goodies that we will plug here, like the ladder that we're going to be showing you, and all that kind of stuff. I will have the link MD Overhold 15 for 15% off of your entire order using my code. So please use that over at Marine Depot Direct. If you're getting any sort of boat hardware, they've got all kinds of stuff. They've got ladders, they've got cup holders, they've got fittings and stuff like that for like freshwater washdowns and fuel fittings and anything metal and stuff like that. They've got a whole bunch of that kind of stuff. So look them up, use our promo code, and save yourself a little bit of money if you are going to be doing any projects on your boat soon. Also, please hit the like, subscribe, all those good buttons. They help us out a lot. Marine Depot Direct, we can't thank you enough. We're going to do another one of these kinds of outfitting things soon. So maybe we might be hitting you up for some more of these cup holders. We might put some on Bert's boat too. So yeah, but thank you again for sticking around for this one. I've got to go help my little boy, and we're going to do some more work on our boat that you don't need to be around here for. So go out on your boat, go do something else. We're going to go play on ours.